Today guys, I'm back here with another video. It's currently 4:42 Central Standard Time, 2:17. So today, currently, we are seeing Ethereum trade just under $1,700, $1,693 to be exact. We are seeing a little bit of a pattern, support and rejection range within this 1750 mark to about 17 or 1650-ish, about that $100 range. We're seeing a lot of resistance here, as I've said previously in many videos. We see a lot of volume resistance at these levels here, and so we've tested this multiple times. We've tested this range time and time again. This is currently the daily chart, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, several times, more than 6 to 7 times we've tested these ranges, and we've also tested this 17.5 mark just a couple times here, just about. So currently what I'm looking for, I'm looking for a much stronger, more greenish candle, less of a wick. Like here we see this really weak candle here. That is not what you want to see. You don't want to see that large wick. You want to see more of the body of the candle rather than the wick. That shows just a general, it just shows a stronger trend. As we did here on this run up, we don't have many wicks on the top of the candles here. We did right around this this resistance level right here at the 120-day moving average. Of course, that's to be expected unless it's some massive breakout, which it ended up being. And then it started slowing off a little bit, and then it picked up, of course. But as you can tell, another example here is these huge candlesticks we have here way back a few weeks ago, or months rather. So anyway, as far as price targets go, I expect us to at some point break out of this, and if we don't break out of this, I see us coming back down to this just around $1,400 range. Now, of course, this is just an estimate. I'm not a financial advisor, just giving my personal thoughts on this. But as far as breaking towards the upside, I haven't quite figured out what price target we will be seeing, but I just know that the amount of volume resistance we have at these levels, it's going to be a relatively big breakout. It's certainly one that you wouldn't want to miss if you were wanting to trade Ethereum. Now, I'm currently in at I have a small position at 2.5 Ethereum, roughly at 1624. So we're above the. I'm expecting us to break out. I'm holding more for a long-term trade. I'm not day trading as of right now, just because of the weird market volatility we have going on in this range. I'm not a big fan of it at the moment. So I'm going for more of a long-term position here, and that's currently what I'm looking for, is a break towards the upside. But of course, if we move downwards, I have plenty of cash set aside that I will begin to put more into the market as I feel necessary. As of now, I'm just getting some skin in the game. It's probably, I wouldn't say it's too early, but it's probably not the thing that you should do if you don't have a lot to work with. I have a lot to work with, so I'm just getting a little bit of skin in the game, just to, that way I don't miss out on any potential moves. And of course, if it goes down, I've got more to put in. So that's always what you want to do here. Now, so on the RSI, we're currently trading at a 60. So starting to get a little overextended there, but it's still a little bit of room. And then MACD, looks like we're starting to cross into more of a bullish pattern. We're starting to see that a little bit here, which is great. That's a good sign too as well. And as I said, if we can break above these levels here, I think we could be going to the upside potentially. So that is what I'm looking for in the short term. Now, in the grand scheme of things, the long term, let's go over here, the weekly charts. The weekly charts, as you see, we have this support and resistance area here. And that, in order to get past that to where I want to see us at around $2,000, $2,200 roughly, at the moving average, I suspect that if we get there, we're either going to absolutely blow past it, or we're going to get rejected really hard. That's how I see that playing out. But I do think we're starting to see a lot of long-term consolidation. Actually, I know I can see it with my own eyes. Everyone can see it with their own eyes. We're starting to see some long-term consolidation at these in between the $1,000 and the $1,700 range, which is great for the overall market. We want to see this as we did back here before we went on this massive bull run. Now, this went on for a long time. It went quiet for quite some time, and I really don't want to see that. I really hope we start a new bull run pretty soon. But as we know how the economy is going across the world, not amazing, but we're starting to head in the right direction, I believe. So if we can continue that trend with the economy, I can see us going into some sort of bull run within the next year. Hopefully not 2 years. I hope it's less than that, but certainly within that time frame I could see us doing. And yeah, that's all today, guys. A little bit of a longer video here, but I just want to give you guys an update. Here's a better picture on the 4 hourly charts of what I'm talking about, the support and resistance line. So we really just need to break above this 17.5 mark and just show that that is no longer a big resistance. We need to just break through that, get that out of the way, because as we can see multiple times, we've been rejected in this range, which is not what we want to be seeing here. But we are starting to test it more, which is a good sign. The more we test it, I would assume the higher likelihood we have of breaking towards the upside, so that's good. So if you guys found value in this video, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. And thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.